Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amika Gem. Today I have a video to show you guys something I got from Dior. This was actually a present from a family friend around the time when I got married. She gave me this really cool gift set from Dior, and it had the Poison perfume, and it also had this. So I thought you guys might be interested in this. Dior is definitely, I think, probably the most popular brand, like luxury brand, particularly for older African women. Um, like the lipsticks were really worn by lots of women in the 90s. My mum had tons of them. The brand is very popular on the continent and very popular in East Africa specifically. So she gave this set to me. I don't have the Poison with me because I finished it. Oops. But I wanted to show you the body lotion. So it says here, Hypnotic Poison, Les Satine pour le corps, and in English it says Satin Body Lotion. So if you look carefully there, you should be able to see it, and it says Dior there with the classic Dior logo, not the one that's all caps right now. And then on the back it says made in France, and it says Parfum Christian Dior. So this was, as I said, you can't buy this individually. They do have this like body lotion, body milk on the website, because I did have a look. I need to double check though. If I find it online from Dior, I'll link in the description below. And yeah, I just thought this was just really cute. And I don't know, I just was like, oh, okay, this is so cute. The texture of this body lotion, it is very liquid. I've used it a little bit. I've just put a little bit on my hand now. And the scent is very, I mean, it does smell of poison, obviously. It smells exactly like poison. So that could be something you're into, might not be something you're into. Not everyone likes this scent. It's definitely a very heavy scent. It is very dense and heavy, but if you do like those scents that do kind of stick out, and if you do like poison, I do think you would like this. I love how Dior think of things very thoroughly, like especially for a gift set. I mean, this is 50 milliliters. So for those in the US, it's 1.7 ounces. I really like this, and when I first got it, I was like, "Ooh, okay," because she was like, "Oh, you need to have this. You always need to have a beautiful body lotion, especially when you're married." I was like, "Okay, girl," and I don't know. I really, really like this, and it's definitely one of my favorites. I don't use it all the time. I just use it for like special occasions. I know that a lot of brands do this thing where they're like, you should have the perfume and the body lotion and the shower gel. I know that brands love to do this. I know that for some of us, we think it's like a gimmick or whatever, like they're trying to take money from us. I do think though, when I had the Poison perfume, it's true. Like when you put the body lotion on and you put the perfume on, it does give you that extra oomph, you know what I mean? But I definitely feel like it's a very soft body lotion. Sometimes a lot of the formulas for these like designer body lotions, they can really dry your skin out, to be honest with you. So I have to say I'm very impressed with this one so far. So I just wanted to show you. There are a few things actually on Dior's website that myself and I was looking at. I want to throw up some on the screen right now if possible. I'm definitely looking at some book totes as well. I really like a lot of the saddlebags. I want to throw some of my faves up on the screen. I know the saddlebag is like one of those bags that's like, oh God, guys, I'm just so sick and tired of this bag. But I do think it's like just so cute. And the saddlebag was created by John Galliano in 1999. I mean, it's crazy when you think about a bag that was like, I was like at school in like year 10 or year 9, whatever. I mean, year 9 actually, at school in England, in boarding school. It's crazy when you think of what that means basically today, and how the saddle has like just kind of become this like pop culture icon again. I mean, what do you guys think of the saddle and the book? I know many people are not fans of Dior's bags. I personally am not a fan of the Caro. I'm not a fan of the Bobby, so I'm not going to waste any of my precious camera's video minutes here talking about it. Yeah, I'm just really curious to know, what are you guys looking at from Dior? I think Dior has got some really beautiful prêt-à-porter pieces. I don't know if this sweatshirt is still available. If it is, you're probably looking at it right now on the screen. I love this sweatshirt. I think it's really cute. I'm not sweatshirt, it's a jumper. I think it's a really cute jumper. Love it, love it, love it. I just think that Dior's Prêt-à-Porter is just very expensive. Very curious to know what you guys think. And what do you think of this Dior, yeah, like lotion? What do you guys think of it? What do you think of Dior in general? Do you like their beauty products? Do you think that they're quite expensive? Obviously, I don't know how much she spent on this gift set because it came with the perfume and the body lotion. So I can't say, but I'll link the description. I'll link the product in the description below if you're interested in seeing more of it. I do love this and I use it from time to time. It is very soft and it does make your skin very soft. If you don't like excessively perfumed body lotions, you probably won't like this, but if you do like strong scents, I do think you will like this. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of my video. This is just a very quick video. Do you like this kind of format? I'm also using a different phone camera today. Not really sure how I'm feeling about it right now. I'd love to know what you guys think. Do you like the longer format videos? Do you like the shorter ones like this one that's short and sweet? Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like luxury shopping and high street shopping. I have way more reveals and unboxings as well. So if you guys like these types of videos, please let me know because I can make more of them. I want to just try new things as well and see what you guys are interested in watching. Please make sure that you basically stick with me this Easter week, Holy Week for me. I have a video coming up tomorrow on Good Friday. I also have a video coming up on Easter Saturday. So it's Holy Week. I'm really excited about Easter, but I would love to show my passion and my energy that I have for Easter with you guys. So I have 2 videos for you. And then also next week, obviously it's Easter Monday, so it's a holiday. And in Tanzania, there's another holiday, okay, next Wednesday. So there's so many things going on in Tanzania specifically. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.